Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video regarding the bridge and waterfall scenery with oil pastels. I'll guide you step by step procedure how to do it. And a small request: this is my new channel. Please subscribe and share. Let's get into video where creativity meets nature's wonders. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll guide you through the mesmerizing process of creating a breathtaking bridge and waterfall scenery using oil pastels with a vibrant palette colors of yellow, pink, red, blue, that such as vibrant colors, and will bring the picture of a landscape to the life through the step-by-step process. And first of all, introducing the picture, how to do it, what it is, and embark on a journey of a artistic expression as we delve into the world of oil pastels and captures the beauty of a serene bridge overlooking cascading waterfalls. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to cater to artists of all levels, providing a detailed guide to create a stunning piece that will leave you in awe of your own abilities. And materials needed before we dive into the creative process, let's gather our materials. You will need a set of oil pastels in vibrant shades of yellow, pink, red, blue, and dark blue, and 12 colors also. Ensure you have a quality drawing paper or a sketchbook, a set of blending tools, and a fine tip black marker, or those intricate details like masking tape or some sketch pencils are enough. And don't forget to have a reference image of a bridge of my image. And sketching the scene, being by lightly sketching the basic elements of your scenery, outline the majestic bridge, ensuring that it spans across the paper, and position the waterfalls to flow gracefully beneath it. Pay attention to the perspective, as it will create a sense of depth and realism in your final piece. Use a light colored oil pastel for this step, allowing you to make the adjustments as needed. And painting the sky type, dip your pastel in shades of vibrant of yellow and pink to craft the side breathtaking sunset or sun sky, and blend the colors seamlessly, allowing them to transition smoothly across the canvas. This gradient effect will infuse your piece with an ethereal glow and setting the mood for the tranquil serenity and that lies ahead. And adding drama with reds, introducing shades of red to the canvas, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Focus on the areas where the sunlight kisses the landscape, and such as the edges of the bridge and the water surface. Blend these hues gently to achieve a natural transition, infusing your scenery with trees and flowers, and with a scenes of vitality and energy. And cascading waterfalls with shades of blue and dark blue. Start painting the waterfalls layer by layer. Begin from top, letting the water flow dynamically down the rocks, and pay close attention to the play of light and shadow, using varying intensities of blue to achieve the realistic effort. The movement of the water should be fluid and graceful and reflecting it naturally. And detailing and final touches. Now it's time to add those intricate details that will truly make your scenery come alive. Use a fine tip black marker to outline the bridge and define its architectural elements, whichever shape you want. And mainly the color is the chocolate brown, and add subtle highlights with a white oil pastel and shadows to the waterfalls and enhance their three-dimensional appearance. Take your time with this step, as it's finer details that will elevate your piece from beautiful to breathtaking. And finally conclude. Congratulations, you have successfully created a stunning bridge and waterfall scenery using oil pastels. Remember, art is a journey, and every stroke you make is a step towards honing your skills. Don't be afraid to experiment with the different colors, combinations, and techniques in your future creations. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found inspiration in the beauty of nature. Keep creating, and until next time, Happy painting. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Follow for more.